Hey guys, it's Addison here, and welcome back to Dishonored. Today, we're gonna be doing something. Something is happening. I'm not sure what. I think we have to go deal with some leapers real quick, which is not even sort of a problem. What are they? Half-dead people? I don't know. That's not a door. Is this a door that it leads to out? No. Where are the doors that lead to out?
You're lucky I keep you on.
It is every citizen's
There we go.
duty to report treasonous speech and actions. The
Hello.
state depends on you.
Hello,
Yes.
Corvo.
Hello. Let's go. Stealth mode activated. Dun, 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 dun. Blip, blip. There are 2 rooms over. What the heck? There's one over there. We'll get that later. First, we gotta deal with these guys. First, we gotta deal with these guys. Are they over here? Is there one over here? Ooh, a door. Yeah, so this is what the plague does to people. It turns them into these things. Give me that. Oh. Well, we don't need out here, so... Where do we need to go? Guess back out here. Bip. Bop. Bam. I don't want to go swimming, though. Oh, it's not that deep. Okay. Bang. How about stop? There. Easy. Easy as pie, boys. Dang it, I want my crossbow. Something about something. There's one down here. Alright. There's one outside. So we're gonna get what's down here real quick. It's gonna be thorough in our exploration now. We wouldn't want to miss anything important like a pile of bricks at the end of the sewer tunnel. You never know what could be important. Anything and everything at the same time could be equally as important. So much splashing around. Hit. Open this up. Cool, thanks. Alright. On land, please. Those are bad fishes. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Where is it? It's all the way over there. Okay. Well, that doesn't do me very much good. Swim for it. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Sweet. We got another room. Coolio.
You went down there in the sewers?
Yes, I did.
I thought I heard a weeper in there earlier.
There were 2 weepers.
You're probably the bravest man I've ever met.
Oh, thank
Overseer
you.
Martin has arrived.
Also, I
He's with
killed
Admiral
both of
Havelock
them
now.
very viciously with no regrets whatsoever.
I know the Golden Cat.
I know the Golden Cat. It's where they got that pussy.
Corvo.
Corvo, so glad to see
Pendleton's
you.
waiting for you on the
Boppa da
dock.
boppa da bee-o. It's me, Mario.
Don't. I bought
Well,
you tickets courtesy to
Luigi.
Holly. I won't make
Wait,
that mistake in
do I
the
need to
future.
talk to you? Hello?
I'm sorry.
Corvo.
Never mind, Arthur.
I don't know. Maybe I needed to talk to him. Maybe I didn't. Whatever. Talk to him. Let's
I'll
go.
take you to the Golden Cat.
I'm ready, Sam. Take me there.
Taken Lord Pendleton enough times, believe me.
Take me. I want to see them animal today's. Putting on the mask, gonna go kill a bunch of people. Don't care if they're innocent, don't care if they're guards, they're all gonna die. Yay. I pressed the space bar, and it was loud as shit.
I'll get you as close as I can to the Golden Cat, Corvo.
Thanks, Samuel. You're the
You'll have to go the rest of the way
best.
up. The entrance is near Holger Square. The main thing is to make sure that little girl, Emily, gets back all safe and sure.
Oh, she'll be
Them
safe,
two
all
Bentons
right.
are there, so
She'll
I'm
be
guessing there'll be a lot of
Italian.
guards. Slackjaw might have some ideas on how to
Italian
get
safe.
inside the
That's
cat
how safe she'll be.
if he don't kill you. This here's his territory. He and his Bottle Street gang hole up at the old Dunwall whiskey
I think I smell a side
They sell
quest.
the elixir that folks use to fight off the plague.
Let me go.
I'll lay
Bye,
low,
Samuel.
keep
I'll
an
see you
eye
later.
out for
Thanks
it,
for the
and
boat
let me know
ride.
you bring
You're a real
back.
swell man.
Good luck
Mwah.
to you. I know Emily must mean a lot to you.
See you later.
Be careful going up the street, Corvo.
Bye, Sam.
Riverhand, I know, pulled up
You are my
alongside
favorite.
last night and said there's one of those watchtowers.
Except for Emily. She's my daughter. Don't care. Alright. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Oh yeah, now there's a turret here. Did I mention that we come back to the same areas except stuff is different? Hello, would you like to die? Oh, you got a cool mask. I'd like one of those. Oh wait, I already have one. Oh god, we're being fired upon. Take cover. Guns out, fun's out, sun's out. Soaking the suds up. Bam. Bullets. Take this. They taste good, don't they? Can't wait past that thing. Oh god. No. That's a whole lot of no. Oh, look, more stuff. Thank you. I'll be taking all of it. Let me have that. Thanks. Something about stuff. Stuff I don't care about, obviously. Boop. And that's gone. Cool. Dealt with that. Ha ha ha. Funny joke? Oh, we got some
Attention,
bone
Dunwall
charms going on
citizens.
here.
Anyone with information pertaining to the death of High Overseer Thaddeus Campbell is to report to the watch for immediate.
Hey, you're just the man I was looking for. Slackjaw's wanting to talk to you.
Yeah, is it because I poisoned his shit? Because if it is, I'm not taking that back. I meant to do that with 100% honesty. What? Whoa, excuse me. Ow. Are you kidding me? Paste bullet. I got an assassination contract on my head, I think. I think that's why they're there. Not entirely sure. Bolt. Hey Griff,
Want
what's
to
up?
look at some of the things I've found?
Yes.
Good prices, I swear.
I know, they're great. Let me see what you scavenged. Can't buy that. Alright, thanks. You have a good day, Griff. You have a wonderful evening. Good old day. Can I, yoink? Alright, we need to do some exploration here. It's, important. Hello! Rewire tools, spring razors, some money, bread, meh. Bip, bop, bada bam. Got another bone charm. What does this bone charm do? Top skin. Ooh, which one do we want to get rid of? We'll get rid of this one, because I want this. There we go. How many bone charms do we have? Well, we have 3 runes. Let's get some agility. Alright, cool. So now we can jump higher. Heck yeah. Those bone charms are pretty, but they're a ways away still.
Got anything to smoke or eat?
Yo, what's up? Yes. We're gonna go talk to Slackjaw.
I don't think they're gonna last much longer in there.
That's what they get for taking free swigs from the still. That tainted elixir is bad stuff.
Uh-huh. Wait, is there... There is! Aha! Aha! Dang, I want in there pretty badly, actually. Slackjaw! Slackjaw!
Easy. You just need a bit.
Ain't you heard? Slackjaw keeps the good stuff for himself.
Slackjaw keeps the good stuff for himself. Whoosh! Whoosh! This is your desk. Hello, sir. Thank you for the quest. I will be of utmost service to you.
That Galvani is a leech. A doctor, they call him now. Get into his office and you can find out what happened to my man who vanished.
To Dr. Galvani. There's free stuff here. Dude, I love free stuff. Give me more free stuff.
Come on, let's get this guy.
Oh, sweet. I can have this. Rolling one.
Please.
You guys are actually working.
Get over here. Die, you crusty bastard.
Excuse me?
Somebody.
Your sword slightly faster. No thanks.
Yeah.
Looks like you guys got things covered.
That
Nope.
settles.
They don't have anything on them. Alright, Distillery District, bye-bye. Going back to Bottle Street.
Come on.
Hey. You guys are actually working. Bye-bye. Can I pick those up? No. Where? What? Oh. I realize, you know.
I know you're here somewhere, scholar.
What? Where did you come from? There's a rune upstairs. Give me that. So we've been here before, but we're here again. I don't know why. We just are. So, deal with it, I guess. Get some crossbow bolts. Do a bit of sneaking. Grab a pouch of Rooney. Going up the stairs. Is there anyone on this floor? take care of that real quick. No? Okay. Guess not. What do I know, right? I'm just some guy with a sword. Yep. Stealth. I want it.
I think he's dead, right? I know that. I mean, do we have suspects?
Suspects? What? Suspects? You don't want to waste time solving who killed him. Personally, I'd buy who did it a drink.
But what are you gonna put on your report?
I'm gonna say we found one of Slackjaw's men inside, all dead and bloody, and that you are a stinking idiot. Guard, to me! Watch it!
Guards, to me! Died anyways. Alright. What do we got in here? I'll be taking that. What do we need from here? Oh, a clue. A clue. I found a clue. It's an audio log. Nice. California lab key. I don't think we need any of those keys, but okay. Are we good here? Can we leave? I don't want to be here anymore. This place is actually worthless. King Sparrow feather. Oh, wow. Woof! Wait, was that bread? Oh, I love bread. Yes. Something about the distillery district, which is where we're at.
Huh?
Oh, hello, sir. Would you like one of these? Oh, that's one of these. There we go. Situation handled. Oh, nice points. I love money. Hey, Griff. How's it going?
Hey, wait a minute. What just occurred to me? How come it's always me who pays for the whiskey?
Here we go. Oh, he's over here now. Well, ain't that convenient? Hello? Here's Crowley's last words.
What's this?
He's died.
Information from my missing guy.
Yep, he's dead.
Let's have a listen.
He's really dead. Like, really, really dead. Like, on a scale of 1 to dead, very dead.
I'm making this in case I don't make it back.
Oh, wow.
There is someone wants you dead. Wants to take over the distillery, the whole Bottle Street gang.
Oh,
Never
wee
believed
Rick.
it was either. At first I did. That's why it's taken me so long.
Blip, 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 blip. Ooh, bread. I like that.
No! No! Ah!
So Crowley's dead.
He's very dead. Interesting.
The cat's having a big reopening.
Cool. Locate the art dealer in the Golden Cat. Blip, 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 don't care. I'm gonna kill everyone, and they're gonna enjoy dying. That's the end of the story. We're in here because they've replenished the loot. And I like that very much. Ooh, we got some blueprints. Look at all this free stuff, dude. I love free stuff. Good thing I got that key that I don't need now. Oh, if there's a non-lethal option, why would I ever want it? Oh yeah, I can double jump now. That's nice. I think there's some stuff over here. Sorry, we keep detouring, but You know how it is. Ow. I didn't know that was flammable. I broke one of your thingies. I'm not sorry. Bye-bye. Whoosh. Go to Bottle Street. Yes, please. Entering a hostile zone. Yeah, it better be hostile. I've been killing everyone that's here. Whoops. I can't see. I can't see! Alright, everything's fine. It's fine.
Attention
We're
Dunwall
all fine.
citizens. Due to
Everything's
criminal
fine.
activity,
Everything's
Boulder
fine.
Square, the area is now under lockdown. Watchtowers and
Oh, yeah.
support patrols have been deployed. Any
About
suspicious person will be assumed
I'm all out of
harmless,
those.
held with malicious intent.
Come closer. Do you want to die? Na 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 na. I hear someone whistling. Who is that? Why are they there? Oh, there's a bone charm in here? Oh, there is a bone charm in here. Hello, Granny Rags. Coming in.
Come to dinner now, that's right, my sweet little birds. Come to Granny.
Thank you.
Granny won't hurt you.
Look, a book about something. Read. What does that new bone charm do that we just got? Water of life. Okay. Not very good. Alright. Thanks, Granny Rags. You're the best. And stealth.
You filthy mudlark. Let a tramp like you get elixir.
We've been on half rations for a week. I ain't catching the plague.
Hand it over.
No, I need it for my little one so he won't get sick. Thank you, sir. You saved me. How can I thank you? I have nothing. Wait,
What? Wait, what? I need better blink. Good thing there's no bodies to dispose of. Oh, saw, dude. We got one more and it's way the heck over there.
Attention Dunwall citizens. This district is now under a mandatory whale oil ban. Compliance will be strictly enforced.
Something about guard duty. No one cares.
Things are bad. Could the city get any worse?
Alright, we're in here now. Because there is a bone charm that I would like to have in the vicinity of this area. I believe it is upstairs. Just by the wubbing in my ears tells me that there's a bone charm upstairs. Somehow we went past it. What? How did we... what? What the actual... Is it just on the staircase? Apparently down here. I've already been down here. Why did that not break? I don't want to go in that way. I want to go in the other way. We're going back out here again.
Attention Dunwall citizens. A mandatory whale oil ration is now in effect. Non-compliance.
that? What? Holy. Someone appeared to find stop. Some of that. How you like me now? Ooh, yeah. We are going up. Up. Population up. We're on the roof now. Where are we going from the roof? Easy question to answer. Right here. Why? So yes. Nice. Ooh, Rick. Alright. Of course, there's many options. The up-carrying area has lots of options. You should make sure that you consider all of them before continuing. Where are you going, sir? Going over here? Because there's literally a rune on top of me. We're up here now. That's interesting. Cool. I'm taking that. Send us food, not bullets. Wise words. There's a art dealer over there. Don't bother with him. Really don't. Way over there. Guess what? We're not over there. So, it just looks like a regular old man. Wait, is there another? There's another story. Okay. Well, let's get inside here.
All quiet. Where did Morgan go? Down in the basement. It's where he always goes. They're twins. Is that how you tell which is which? That's how I do it. I hear the girls have another way. I don't want to hear it.
I want it. It's so close. It's so far. Not that far after all. And he's dead. Oh, you guys got some Pieros around. Can't carry any more of those. Okay. Okay, okay. That's pretty cool. I'd hang that in my room. Don't go there. Alright. There's a room. I'm going to try to move that way. Just to save me some time, you know. I hear it. It's close. Oh, it's upstairs. Okay. Easy. There's stairs right here. That would be this room. I bet it's in this chest. What do you know? It's not. It's close. I can hear it. I can hear it, which means it's close. Where? Oh, it's up there. It's like on this fire piece thing. What does this one do? Spirited 1. Potions give you more mana. More mana. Oh yes, I love a more mana. The heart. There's one up another level. This room. I think that's the same room Emily is in. But first we have to get rid of the Pendleton by viciously murdering them. Yeah. It's in here. Boom. Mr. Boombastic, Mr. Fantastic, let me go. Can we have more blink now? Oh, we can have more blink. Yes. Huh? Yes. Something about left control, don't really care. Emily! Boop, 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 boop. Well, she's got food, bedding, places to color. Basically, she's got stuff to do, so she's not entirely just bored. Alright. So, let's see. Keep going. Whip this bad boy out real quick. What is this? Water. I'm actually kind of thirsty in real life right now. Stealth mode activated. Stealthing around. Boom.
Dunstan, the Pendletons are here. You're supposed to be on duty. Come on. You're supposed to be on guard. You'll get dismissed for sure. I can't believe this. You said you weren't even drunk. Wake up.
Well, he's super drunk, I can tell you that. Nice song. Let me show you the song of my people. Oh, that wasn't you. Oh, there's a guy right there. Oh, it's coming this way. Oh. Well, that's a problem. That's a little bit of a problem. That's what I would call a problem. Oh. Stab. Alright. How are we doing on time? Not good. Is there any more things going on? No. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we're just gonna go over here. Murder this guy, and then move. A harp! Ooh! Oh, my foot fell asleep. Ooh. Ooh, I don't like that. Stop. No. It's weird. Oh, I don't like it.
There all night.
Oh, I really don't like it.
Now, I need more men.
You don't need more men. What you need is to get a real penance. And Well, that worked out great, didn't it? Didn't it, Captain? Ta-da! Ta-da! Breaking glass, smashing glass. We all breaking the glass. Steam room, something about steam room, blah, 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 blah. What is this?
Exactly right. They state that the conservative position gets an extra 3 votes.
But not in the month of Timber.
What does this do?
Is that true? What is that noise? Oh no.
Oh. Well, that was easy. Wow. Nice. I didn't even know you could do that. I like that. Hello? Oh. Whatever. He's dead now, I guess. What is this? Just another room? Oh. I mean, what are you gonna do? He's dead, so there's nothing you can do, because I killed him.
Someone's supposed to be on duty over here.
Yeah, someone is supposed to be on duty. I wonder if they got viciously murdered. Oh god, that's a lot of them. Taste one of these. How did that taste? Did you like that?
Assassin!
Guess what? I have health potions. Douche. How about stop that?
A promotion! Stand clear!
I'm good at sword fighting. Give me that, give me that. I want all of it. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm bum 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 bum. Yeah. Give it to me. I'm bum 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 bum.
What? Guards, to me!
Oh, hello.
Watch it!
You guards are literally the worst at everything. Would you stop? For how you like that? Pistol to the face, bitch! The only more men you're gonna get is me killing you. That's all you're gonna get.
Stand clear!
I'm all out. Click, click.
Take this!
Feel it. Feel it. Why did that do nothing to him? What is this, a game?
Clear the line!
Did that really? Oh my god. Can we stealth around in peace now? Oh, can I get high? No. What is this? Ooh. Some money. Money. Hello outside. There was some money in that room. Oh, he's just standing there.
Who's over there?
And he's dead.
Help me!
And through the neck. He's dead as shit. Hello. You're dead too. Aha. No survivors. Turn that shit on. Alright. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Criss cross. Criss cross. Stealthy assassinating. At your services. Hello. Ooh.
door is locked. Unlock it so we can get away from this place.
Don't worry, Emily. We are away now. We are in Granny Rags.
Have you seen it?
Hello.
Handsome one with the beautiful dark eyes. I just want to tell him I'm doing my part. Yes, Granny Rags is doing her part.
To the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, 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 boat. To the boat, 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 to the boat, boat, to the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, boat, boat.
The High Overseer's spirit fade and merge with the cosmos.
To the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, to the boat, 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 to the boat, 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 to the boat, 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 boat. Griff, where are you at? I need something from you that I couldn't buy earlier, but I can buy it now. Hey, Griff.
Looking for something special?
Yeah, I'm looking for something special. This. Thank you. New item available at Piero's shop.
Hungry? Well, don't eat river crust. It'll make you sick as a bucket.
I don't care what he's talking about. Gotta get to the boat and scream and shout. Do 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 do. I wonder if whoever's in charge of them is like, hey, I wonder why all of our guys keep dying and our hostages mysteriously disappear. What's that on that? What is this? Snacks, I guess. Hello. What?
Ready to go back, Corvo?
Yes.
You made short work of things.
I did.
Yeah.
I'm good at that. Real good. Hi, Chaos Boss! Woo! Oh, we missed a rune? Dang, dude. I could have been Rouch. That's fine. We'll be okay. I think we'll be okay. We're pretty good at murdering everyone. And
So you did the business, did you, Corvo?
oh,
I'm not one to speak against my betters, mind you.
I cut
If
one of
anybody
them's
ever
heads off,
deserved
and I
their
blew the
fate,
other one
it's
up with
those
steam.
Pendletons.
What
I mean, I didn't
business are you talking
actually
about?
Murdering.
Oh,
Murdering, Emily. I murdered them.
I mean, you lady shit.
They got murdered.
Forgive me.
It's okay. I heard a lot of grown-up business at the Golden Cat.
Oh. I should concentrate on piloting this boat.
I gotta focus on driving. You're giving me an erection, and I can't handle it. I can't handle it. It's too much penis. Oh no. Spooky, spooky, spooky. Boop. One hand. Other hand. Tooch. Walk, 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 walk. Okay, bye.
Young Lady Emily, I'm Callista. I'll be caring for you and schooling you while you're with us.
Pleased to meet you.
As am I. Would you like to see your room in the tower?
Shake cam.
You may. You'll get to see it all. The entirety of the Hound Pits.
Good. I think I'll like it here. I'll go with Callista, Corvo. I'll see you later.
Okay, bye, Emily. Thanks for being safe and stuff.
You do not fail to impress.
What's up,
Armed with a
fucker?
blade,
You're
you
gonna
change
screw
the
me
course
over
of
later,
the
but I don't
sea.
care. Because I don't
And
know
with
that
the
right
Pendleton
now.
twins
Thanks
gone,
for that nice
our own
handshake.
Lord Pendleton
I'm
will
gonna be
assume your
remembering that
votes
when I
in
stab
power.
you in the back. Viciously,
In one
with
night,
intent
you've
to
done more
harm
than most
permanently.
men do in a lifetime. I need to speak to you soon. But for now, Lord Pendleton requests your attention.
Piero! Hey! Hey! Oppa! 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 Hey! Let me look at what you got for sale, dude. Ooh, smoking that dank, are we? Ooh-wee. We need some upgrades for our pistol. I think we bought everything we can buy. Except I could buy ammo. Yeah, we bought everything. Oh, we could have got a bone charm capacity upgrade. Dang it, I'm such an idiot, dude. We could have had a bone charm capacity upgrade. What is that? Excuse me? Boo. Thank Alright, into the ocean. Zunda, ba dum ba boom ba boom da, ba da dum 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 dum. I killed your brother.
Borvo, the Loyalist conspiracy.
What? What are we doing now? Havelock and Martin. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right, because I saved Martin. He is over here now. Hello! Watch me whip.
All right, my
Oh,
friend.
dang it, I was going to slide in there.
Gamble's journal. It's amazing how many overseers he'd been blackmailing. It really is the key.
Lord Samuels, but wait, for where? Where are we going? Baldwin's Bridge. Ah, yes. I want to sleep times, though. Do we not have to get to go to sleep first? I wanted my nice, comfy bed at the top floor where it's nice and safe. I wanted some of this. What? They stole my bed! How could they? Those bastards.
Attention.
Beautiful
Do
sun.
not attempt to hinder officers.
Alright guys, I will see you in the next episode. Because this one's over. Bye-bye!